Live from WBFF in Baltimore, this is Fox 45 Morning News.
Maybe hot and humid outside, but it's ice cold in our studio this morning. After the break, the myths and the benefits to taking ice baths.
Well, when it comes to taking a bath or even a shower, we tend to enjoy the comfort of the warm water. I know I definitely do, but that might not be the best thing for your skin. This morning, I'm joined by Dr. Slabaugh with Mercy Medical Center, and we're talking about ice baths. This one's not filled up, but what it would look like, right?
Yes.
And so the big question, what are the benefits? Are there benefits to taking ice baths?
Yeah, for my athletes, anyone that's working out vigorously for more than an hour, I recommend getting into an ice bath afterwards. It just decreases the muscle soreness and then also helps to decrease inflammation. But for individuals that want to do it more for the mental acuity, it definitely has some advantages there. It definitely helps you increase your sort of mental acuity. It releases dopamine and endorphins, just like, you know, when you hop into that cold shower and you just feel like that desire to hop right back out. It does the same thing with that. It just increases that desire to fight or flight.
Okay, who would have known? You know, I know there's a lot of myths about it too. It can help you lose weight.
Yeah.
You're saying that's a myth?
I do, yes. Yeah,
Okay.
A lot of people purport it. There's a lot of things on social media that are out there that are just not true. But the main things, it decreases inflammation and helps with muscle soreness in individuals that have been doing a really vigorous and intense workout.
Okay, so how does it work? Do you just fill this up?
Yeah, so for the ones that you can buy on the internet, you basically just fill it up with water, put it ice, and typically we recommend about 60 degrees when you're starting out. So just get a digital thermometer or something that you've got in your kitchen and tell how cold it is. And then when you get in, you want to make sure that you do it very slowly. For the first time you're doing it, I'd only recommend 1 or 2 minutes, but then as your body acclimates, then you can do it for a longer period of time, or you can decrease the temperature.
And you're saying the temperature can get down to 30, 38 degrees?
Yeah, you don't want to go below 38 degrees. Those are for individuals that are doing this, you know, and have been acclimating their bodies for a long period of time. I would say absolutely start out at 60 degrees and then gradually decrease the temperature as your body starts to get used to it, and your body, you can stay in there for longer periods of time.
Okay, so how often should you be doing this?
Typically, for the athletes, you should be doing any time, like I said, any intense workout more than an hour. You definitely should be getting into an ice bath just to recover, and so you can be more diligent in your exercise regimens or routines. But for individuals that are doing it more for their mental acuity and sort of from the other health benefits, I'd say probably 3 to 4 times a week would be the most that I would do it for.
So are there any risks then, and what do you need to be aware of before you do this?
Anyone that has any cardiac or any lung issues, those are the individuals that they should seek approval from their primary care doctor before doing it. Just like you get into it, just takes your breath away. So anybody that has any heart condition or lung condition, it can exacerbate those conditions and it can be very dangerous. So those individuals definitely should not do it without the guidance of their primary care doctor.
Definitely. It's something you've done yourself though, right?
Yes.
Okay,
yeah.
How was that?
It definitely takes your breath away, but after a nice workout, it feels very, very good. It just is something that it helps to recover, and so you just feel like the muscles recover a little bit. It's easier to stretch. It's easier to do those workouts, an intense workout the day after, because you've had those benefits of the ice bathing.
All right, well, maybe something I might try. I don't know, I'm a little weary about it, but
Good
hey,
luck.
I mean, yeah. Thank you so much, though.
You're very welcome.
Interesting. And I know, Tom, this is something that you have done before, right?
Yeah, a little bit different bath there and a little bit more professional setting. I don't know if I would be able to trust myself doing that and buying that and keeping that at home and filling it up and doing that all, but yeah, the professional's perfect.